Let's see. I think we got that. I just turned on the center one.
Okay.
We'll see.
So he's probably going to go on 12. We're probably going to go on 13.
I wish it was a 1 minute interval.
You wish it was
or
2?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be nice. It's a little scary with this dust.
Yeah.
Because things come up, so like, oh, there it is.
And if somebody has a problem, there's not enough time to...
Yeah. If they break down, you're like, ugh.
Yeah.
Sport.
Hello.
You may encounter car 58 limping along. They left here with some sort of either boost or transmission problem.
Okay.
Just be aware.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Out on 13.
Sweet.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. I'm good. Going on the zeros this time.
This guy seems like he's on top of it.
15.
$70, 6.5 right, 180. Seven right and 7 crest, 50. 6.5 right, 100. Another 6.5 right, 100. 6.5 left, 40. 6.5 right, 250. 6 medium right, uphill, 50. 5 very long left, 70. 4.5 medium right and cattle guard, 40. 5.5 left, open, 60. 5.5 left, 30. 5.5 right into 5 left, 80. 5.5 right into 6 left, 50. 6.5 left into 5.5 right, 80. 6 left over crest, 70. 5 left narrows, 40. 6 left into 4.5 long right, 40. 6.5 left, 30. 6.5 left, 40. 5.5 right, tightens a bit. Into 5.5 left, 60. 6 left, dip 40. 6 right, 50. 7 left, 50. 6.5 right, 30. 6 right into 5.5 medium left, 70. 5.5 left 40. 7 crest and 7 right 60. 6 left 100. 6.5 left and 7 crest 40. 7 left and 6 right 70. 6 right 40. 6 left 30. 5.5 right 20. 5 medium left and 6 medium right 80. 7 left 150. 6 left 30. 6 right, tightens a bit into 5 left 20. 6.5 right, over crest 80. 7 right into 5 left 30. 5 right, tightens a bit 70.
Sorry.
Okay. 6 right 40. 5 left 100. 6 right 60. 5.5 right, over crest opens, pavement 20. 5.5 left 100. 6.5 very long left 60. 6 right over crest and 5.5 right over crest 100. Into your flying finish. Yeah.
Second stage. Oh, you can
I just turned it on. Now
Oh,
you
did,
should be
cool.
good.
Second stage clear, guys. We did hit a bit of a bank on the right rear, but it seems fine. But everything else is good. Do we? Oh, I'll let you do this.
Hi. Okay. I think ours said. Okay. Oh, it did?
Copy that.
Thank you.
That damn right side, I swear, I always get the right side. Yeah, car drives straight, feels fine though. Just kind of hit a soft kind of bank. I thought there was a rock in there, but ended up being fine.
That's.
Cool deal, copy that.
She's wrong. It doesn't matter, but she changed it to 12 and it's not. We started the last stage at 11:22, not 12:22.
Yeah. Yeah, whatever.
It doesn't matter. She changed them both. The score is still the same.
Okay. When you get a chance, can you turn on speed for me?
Yeah.
Good stage. Good stage, though.
Yeah, it felt good.
Yeah. Did you turn your GoPro off?
No.